One of my favorite analysts just recently put out some great information around Bitcoin and why we're experiencing this big pop in the price. The big question is, will it last, right? So Bitcoin is up about 9%, a little over 9% in the last 24 hours here. Bitcoin tumbled quickly, only to recover just as quick here on the heels of a lot of information, surrounded by Silicon Valley Bank, Silvergate, some of the banks now being bailed out. Biden just spoke this morning about it, basically saying that, hey, we're all good, it's all safe. So now money is kind of pouring back in. And it looks as if this could be a dead cat bounce, but we still could have some more upside for Bitcoin in the short term. That is why this analyst has triggered a buy, at least here for the short term. I'm going to tell you where he looks to exit his Bitcoin long trade. And again, Michael Van de Pope, one of the best in the business, coming out with this information. I wanted to share it with you because a lot of people doing more trading now in this type of market, especially since things started to unravel for us back in May of 2022 when the bear market really set in. Keep in mind, you could still make money in these markets, right? It's trading. You can make money when the market's going up and when it's going down, short positions, long positions, day trading, swing trading. If you're looking to get into that, by the way, my Bybit link down below in the description. I've been kind of slowly but surely getting into it over the last 4 or 5 months. But let me take you inside here and give you some really important information as it relates to Bitcoin's price. So the trader I was talking about, Michael Van de Pope, tweeted out this morning that he did not trade over the past weekend. He was watching things play out. Of course, we had the big USDC DPEG as well. In his tweet, Van de Pope added that there are currently continuation plays present on Bitcoin's chart. What does that mean? No worries, I've got you. The trader stated that there may be a temporary relief for Bitcoin's price in the coming days with the recent QE and bailout for the banks, as discussed by Biden this morning. There's also potential for good CPI and no more interest rate hikes. Now, I don't know what the odds of that happening are. We're going to get CPI tomorrow. Then we're going to see, what the Fed say coming up in about 7 days from now in terms of are they going to raise interest rates or not? How much will they raise them if they do, right? All of this is going to play into how Bitcoin's price responds. But Michael Van de Pope stated that the break above the $21,300 level is vital for Bitcoin, 21.3K. We're well above that right now. We're at 22,500. What's crazy is Bitcoin just broke below 20,000 not very long ago. People were freaking out. And now Bitcoin firing back up well over 22,000. But this is why we love crypto, the volatility, right? That's the name of the game. That's how money is made. Things go up and down so much more aggressively than they do in the stock market. But Michael Van de Pope stated that the break above 21.3 is vital for Bitcoin and that he'll be looking to enter a long position with the crypto market leader expecting an upside target of 23.7K. So that means he put in his long position right around 21.3, probably a little bit above it once it got validated. Then he's looking to exit that trade at 23.7. We have not got to that point yet where he's looking to exit. So he's looking for a retracement once we get up there to 23,700. We're going to watch this very closely because right now we're at 22,500. Could we go up there and test a similar level to where Michael Van de Pope is showcasing here and then dial back from there? Maybe even give it all back and fall back below 20,000. This is kind of the game you play in the bear market. This is why trading in these type of markets can make you money because you can start to see the trends, right? Because things aren't going to drastically go up right now, nor are they drastically going to go down unless we have some super positive or super negative catalyst. However, things still trade in different channels. And once you learn those channels, you learn those support levels, those resistance levels, you can really start to make some good guesstimates on where the market's going to go in the short term. And this is how you become a way better trader. Now, at press time, Bitcoin's price, again, up over 9% in the last 24 hours, which is shocking to many. Bitcoin's recent 24-hour price increase has triggered, again, Van de Pope's long entry as Bitcoin's price stands right now at about 22,500. The crypto has also strengthened against the altcoin leader Ethereum by about 0.12% at the time of this recording. We're going to keep tabs on it. We'll see if Michael Van de Pope is accurate here. Will Bitcoin climb all the way to 23.7 before it starts to retrace? We'll be keeping tabs on it for you. just wanted to make sure you're equipped with this information because I do respect this trader. Michael Van de Pope does a fantastic job. He's been right a lot here in the last year and a half. I've been tracking his track record, if you will. So appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Go out there, make some money. See ya.